Question number 4 is paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to this much. Okay, sufficient paint is given to you which can paint this much area. Now how many bricks of dimension this? L is given as 22.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, height is 7.5, can be painted out of this container. Okay, so first we will find area of one brick. So since we know brick is of cuboidal shape, so area of one brick we can find by the formula of area of cuboid, that is 2lb/bh plus hi. Now substitute all the values here. L is 22.5, B is 10, then 10 into 7.5, then 7.5 into 22.5. See, when you multiply 10 with 22.5, this decimal will go. So answer will be 225. Here also same thing will happen, 75 you will get. Now this you should multiply here. So first we can avoid decimal, isn't it? So we will get 7, 8, 6, 1, 6, 8, 7, 5. Now how many, after how many digit decimal is there? 1 plus 1, 2. So answer will be 168.75. Okay. Now we can add these numbers. We will get 168.75, 225 and 75. So 75 will come here, 8, then 16, 4. So 2 into 468.75, which after multiplication with 2 will give 937.5 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the area of one brick in centimeter square. But here you should observe area can be painted by given paint is in meter square. So we should convert this centimeter square into meter square. Now we know 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeter square, isn't it? How it came? Since we know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okay, but we want square, so we will square both the side. So we will get 1 square means 1 meter square and 100 square means 10,000. Okay, so to convert meter square into centimeter, we will multiply with 10,000. To convert centimeter into meter square, we will divide by 10,000. So now here what we should do? Here we have centimeter square, we want meter square. So we will divide by 10,000 to convert it into meter square. See, meter square will come. Okay. So this is the answer. Now we can divide, we can remove the zeros here and we can shift the decimal. This method you should know. So how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So after 4 we should shift the decimal after 4 digits. So it will come 0.09375 meter square. So this is your area of one brick. Now number of bricks. Number of bricks can be obtained by total area, can be painted by paint, divided by area of one brick. Okay. So total area is given as 9.375 meter square and we got area as 0.09375, isn't it? So what we can write? This we can write 9375 divided by 1000 and this we can write 9375 divided by okay. So now this will go, isn't it, and 1 lakh divided by 1000, 3 will go 0, you will be left with 100. So how many bricks we can paint using this given paint? 100 such bricks.